Hey guys, welcome back to A Day in Life with Derica. Anyways, you guys, as you can see by that thumbnail and as you can see by that title, then you already know what this video is going to be about. Your girl gonna put a wig on. I done had them braids for at least, I'd say 2 months in a day. September 6th would have made 3 months, but they was long overdue. Been need to take them out, but yeah, I been had a wig, but I was just lazy and I did not want to take the braids out. But yeah, you guys, and nothing, honestly, nothing was really wrong with the braids. I just felt like I was getting tired of them. I was getting tired of the braids. So, but like I said, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and continue to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. I don't know what age I'm gonna get to where I'm gonna try these different colors. I done tried blonde, I done tried blonde and brown. But I think blonde was my best. I do look good in blonde. But yeah. This video gonna be all over the place because I honestly don't know what to talk about. I'm gonna talk about a little bit of everything. So I know for a fact I'm gonna tell you guys like stuff that I've been seeing down here since I've been here. First of all, baby, the drivers in Florida are different. Like they're very different from where I'm from. It's like they're not like Atlanta drivers. They're mostly like old people down here. Not old, but elderly people down here. So yeah, you have like some of those, like those slow drivers. Then you have speedy drivers, race car drivers. Like the other day when I was taking my sister to school, it was this BMW that was just speeding. I don't know if the lady was late for work or what, baby. She was speeding, cutting through the traffic. She was cutting through that traffic, like cutting through the traffic. Baby, she was on it. She was driving how I be driving when I'm in a rush to go somewhere. And I was like, oh my God, what is wrong with this lady? Like I was finna pull out in front of her, but I didn't do it because baby, she was just going too fast. She was gonna hit me. And I ain't want that to happen. Y'all, they put a band in here. I don't know how this band work. And then it ain't even the one that you can take out. I don't know how this works. See, like look at it. This is backwards. This is backwards. And like this, go for it like this. You jerk your cane right off my head. Come on. I'm finna cut it out. I split it up. I guess. Y'all miss having my wig playing. I miss putting on this. I miss my wigs, baby. I'm a wig girl more than a braids girl. But I would do braids. I promise I would do braids. Like the boho braids, I really love the boho braids. I really, really love the boho braids. I mean, because I ain't measured my ears yet. Ooh. What I'm cutting, but whatever I just cut, I got this piece of this. But yeah, we're gonna do 3 layers of my what is this? I was gonna say Dola, but it's not. Oh, it is Dola hair glue, baby. Get it out TikTok shop. It's this glue. It's the best glue. My sister been out here, when I did my sister wig, I was 11. I did my sister hair August 11 and her wig and it came up yet. Baby, we in Florida heat, it ain't came up yet. Period. Here, point blank. But yeah, y'all. Since I've been down here, I honestly, I wouldn't say I've been getting homesick. I wouldn't say I've been getting homesick. I just say that I've been. I wouldn't say I've been homesick, but I say it's just like, cause I honestly, I can't even say that I did. I didn't honestly, when I was staying at home, when I was back at home, I didn't do anything. Like I was a house girly. Like I didn't go anywhere unless I was invited places to go. Then sometimes even then I still wouldn't go. But I wouldn't say, I don't know, I wouldn't say I'm homesick, but it's just different. Like I haven't been anywhere down here yet. Like I haven't been out or anything. And I said like when I left that I was gonna start getting out more and just enjoy my 20s, because I really do need to enjoy my 20s. Like I don't want to be one of them old people that be like, oh, I should have did this while I was 20 in my 20s. Well, you know how folks, let me stop saying old people, but you know how like your elders or people that's older than you tell you like enjoy your 20s and stuff like that. Like I just want to enjoy my 20s. And I said when I got down here, that I was just gonna start just enjoying life and like getting out more. So like I haven't done that yet because like I said, those braids just made me look, not like I said, but those braids, I was like, I want to have a new hairstyle. Let me just say that. And even now I still probably won't go out, but then again, I'll probably get out more because like my hair is done and I look decent. And with those braids, they made me look like, I look like a child when I have braids in my hair. And then the mistake I made with those braids was I cut the little curly pieces out like too early. Like I said, I cut the curly pieces out sometime in July. And then when I cut them out, I just noticed that the braids look different. Like they look like just regular knotless braids. And I can't stand regular knotless braids. It made my hair, it just made me look like a kid. It made me look like a kid. I didn't know how to style it anymore because it just got, and I didn't want to be that girl that I just started wearing a ponytail. Like, cause I had so much new growth, it wasn't no other style that I could do. And then the bun that I had, I couldn't do a bun style because it just kept pulling my edges, and I didn't want my edges to come out. But unfortunately, I don't want to say my edges came out, but they are thinner now. So yeah, I just got tired of the braid. They made me look young. I should have just kept the curly pieces in there. I can't give y'all the valid excuse why I even cut the curly pieces out, honestly. Because like I said, I love me some deep wave hair. I can put up with a deep wave wig, but it's just putting up with braids and the curly pieces and stuff, because that required the same maintenance as a deep wave wig. I don't know, that was just a lot for me. That was a lot for me. But then again, that's not an excuse because I really did not have a problem with doing all the maintenance and stuff with those braids. I did not have a problem doing it. But I honestly can say I was bored. I was bored. I was at my boyfriend's house and I was just bored and he was at work. So I was like, I got tired of playing the game because I love playing GTA on his PS5. I got tired of playing the game. I couldn't finish this mission, couldn't pass that one mission. I don't know what it was. I think it was like the prison break mission. And I just got tired of playing the game, so I'm like, I'm bored, I'm gonna do something. Then the curly pieces was getting on my nerves because they didn't get tangled, but like I said, the maintenance on it was, like some of the pieces would look rough, and then majority of the pieces didn't look rough. But the ones that I just kept seeing looking rough, I got tired of cutting out the ones, like literally every day I would find one that looks rough. Like every day, literally. But I might put the hair that I got just in case, because it was some good hair. I just didn't maintain it the way I was supposed to for it to not look rough. But yeah. I'm like, cause it was some good hair. Like I said, it was some good hair. Good curly piece hair. Good curly piece hair. Good curly, you know what I'm trying to get at. And it was human hair. It was human hair. So it was good hair. Oh, I should cut these shorts off. Okay. Now I can see it. Let me focus. It's probably too far up from my hairline right there. I know, baby. My forehead is big. And yes, I use the brush. Cause the little combs I got there don't do me no justice. Go. See that brush this in right here. Brush it in. Brush it in. I love me a little cloth clip style, baby. I be ready to put some in the cloth clip. And don't worry about it right now though, because they look kind of a little weird. And we're gonna stretch this. Stretch it. And we ain't gonna use the little Velcro thing that got the bag. We gonna tie this, we gonna tie it up like that. And then we can Velcro it. Tight. Needs to be tight. Ooh, don't do that. I forgot what I was saying. I really did forget what I was saying. Let me clean up my mess right quick. See, I be getting stuff. I ain't even took no nap yet. It's 3:30. I set my timer at 12 something, but I was supposed to take me a nap. 3 hours. That ain't even no nap. I was supposed to go to sleep. I think I'm gonna try this. I be seeing folks cutting that stuff with a razor, and I keep me a razor, baby. Not a razor, eyebrow shaver. Let me stop saying razor. Eyebrow shaver. I'm finna try it. Cause they be like, why you use scissors? Some folks use scissors, but the last video, cause I still be watching videos to get like little tips on what I need to do or what I feel like I'm lacking in, like plucking. I feel like I haven't got a lot better with my plucking. You know, it don't look like it, but yeah, I feel like I got a lot better with my plucking. And then I seen somebody use a razor to cut the rest of their lace. And yeah, I'm finna try it. I'm planning on doing a lot of story times because I want to do a lot of story times. Like I think that'll be like something that y'all would be interested in. And yeah, so I'm gonna start doing the story time. I could give y'all one right now. I thought about giving one y'all one. I thought about giving y'all one, but I ain't moved to no store. Cause like I said, I be everywhere, as y'all can see. I be everywhere with my stores. Like I be talking about one thing, then I say something, then get on like examples on what I mean by what I said, and then just lose track of everything. It never fails. It always happens. Always. I'm back. I'm just gonna take my little edges out. Ouch. And cut this lace. Ouch, this damn comb. Look. Period. But I'm finna cut it. I gotta focus. I feel like I put this wig too far on my forehead. I know I did. I always do.
Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? Just a flow that got the block high.
I'm not gonna take those things off.
Give me my respect. I just took it left like on every next. Bitch, I moved from London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't make a sweat. That's because I'm gone. I done been gone. I go from 6 to 20, feel like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack, serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared of rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself.
Now my camera cut off because it got too hot. And I honestly don't know how it got too hot. But they said it got too hot. But yeah, I decided not to do no edges. I do edges whenever I do my style. But I'm not gonna do no edges right now. Cause I feel like I put it too far on my forehead. Which I know I did. So I'm not right now. Whenever I install it, I'll probably put some edges. And honestly, I honestly hate doing edges. If I'm being honest, I hate doing edges anyway. Puffy lip. I be loving the puffy lip. It always like a human on my head. Like without edges, it looks weird. Oh, I didn't want to do no edges. I might just have to. Should I or should I not? Y'all think it look better with edges? Ooh. I got this stuff in my eyebrow. Okay guys, I finished my hair. I've done better. I've done better though. I did these little baby edges. Cause like I said, it looks weird without edges. But I'm done with my hair, you guys. Like I said, I don't know. But I gotta get back used to it. I gotta get back used to it, I guess. But like I said, I've done better. But that was the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and continue to subscribe to your channel. I'm on the road to 200 subscribers. So y'all get me there, y'all get me there, y'all get me there. Like I said, thank you guys for watching.